Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to change command prompt text color. Okay, let's start the video. Now open run and type CMD. Hit enter. Now type here color space A for change color. Okay, type here color space A. Hit enter. Now you see color is changed. Now color B. This is our different color. Okay. This is our color change option. Now for check all setting for color change color space G. Now enter. Now you see our command list here. Okay. Check this color code list. First you type color and then type A or 1, 2, 3. What color you want. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.